Hi, welcome. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to use Writecream's AI Facebook ad feature. So let's get started. So the first step is open Writecream AI website on browser and click Get Started. After that, log into your account, and if you don't have one, you can sign up also. Once you logged in, you will be able to see the dashboard menu on the screen. Now select Facebook ad option. Now you can see two columns on your screen. In the first one, you have to mention the name of your brand and product. And in the second one, you have to write a brief description or a brief detail about your product, like what kind of product you are selling, what kind of ad you want to create, like professional ad, promotional ad, or a casual ad. Also, what is your target audience? Once you have entered all the details, click on the generate button. Now AI will take few seconds to create your ad. Now AI has successfully created your ad. Review it, and if needed, edit it. And that's it, you have successfully created your ad with Writecream AI. You can simply copy it and post it on your social media. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us to get more informative videos like this.